Right, how you going? It's Friday night, left work, straight in the Victorian High Country for a quick overnighter. Not sure how much I'll film, how much I'll talk, but I'll bring you all along for the ride anyway. Got the FJ. I've just dropped that video for the 5,000k video that I've done in this thing in the last 6 weeks, so feel free to check that out. Alright, time to jump on this road behind me.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious.
Alright, so I've just driven in the Howqua Hills track. Just popped in through a sheep yard. There's a sign at the start of the track here that says it's unsuitable for two-wheel drives. Never seen that before. I do know it gets pretty greasy in here when it's wet. I've been in here plenty of times before, but I'll just continue on down and head in and head into the campsite on the banks of the Howqua River. But yeah, the weather when I was leaving Mansfield was really dark and grey across here now, but it looks like it's lifted nicely, and who knows, might have a rain-free night tonight. Okay, so it's Sunday morning. So the road in last night, I didn't film much last night. Got into camp and just caught up with a few guys. So I didn't film anything, but the road in where I said it is, there's the two-wheel drive sort of rough stuff. You could go pretty slow coming in. It shouldn't be too bad, but if it was wet, it might be a little bit different. A few washouts and potholes, etc. But I'm camped at Fry's Hut, right on the banks of the Howqua River here. Overnight last night, it was a bit overcast, a bit of condensation on the awning and stuff like that, but it wasn't too bad. And the hut's just down from where we are. There's not many camps here this morning, like other people. A few bikes have headed out this morning for a ride. They're not with us, just some other campers. So this morning we've already had brekkie, had a bit of a cook-up, bit of a relaxing morning, and I'll probably look at heading off a bit after lunch. So I've got a few things to do back at home, so yeah, any chance I can just to get out for a camp, I'll take that opportunity when we can. But yeah, cracking spot. If you haven't been here before, I have done another video into this spot, a lot more detailed about the hut and what things are to do here. But yeah, just a nice quick overnighter, just to kick back and relax. You know, good way to start the weekend. Righto, so I'm going to wrap this trip up here. I'm just heading back out on the Howqua Hills track out towards Merrijig and Mansfield. Now from Mansfield to Fry's it's about 38 to 40 kilometres. So it's not too bad. Just remember on the way in, make sure you do keep left. There's big signs at the start of the road as well to keep left, because there's a lot of blind corners heading in for that 16 k's of dirt. Now if you've liked this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Comment down below if you want any info on this video or any other videos, or about the car, or about my camping setup at all. If you're new to the channel, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you back here again. And we're looking forward to our next trip away. Next video, I'm not sure what it's going to be. Could be about the roof rack, or might even be the bull bar install. But yeah, thanks heaps again for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Cheers.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe.